Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious donuts right on your stove. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Then, combine flour, sugar, yeast, and milk to create a soft dough. Knead it until it's smooth and elastic, then let it rest and rise. This initial preparation is key for perfect, fluffy donuts every time. Once your dough has risen, gently roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or even 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Carefully place these shaped donuts onto parchment paper. This allows them to have a second rise, which is crucial for that light and airy texture.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the frying. Heat about 3-5 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This ensures even cooking and a crispy exterior. While your donuts are still warm, it's time to glaze them. Prepare a simple glaze with powdered sugar, a little milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring both sides are fully coated. Let any excess glaze drip off before placing them on a rack. Serve immediately or add your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.